Good morning. My name is Daryl Usselton. I'm president of American Steel Structures, just southwest of Houston, Texas. Today I'd like to feature one of our most popular steel buildings that we sell all over the country, across 40 states in America. This is our combo utility carport, which is a combination of a carport and a storage shed all in one structure. This structure can be built on the ground, as this one is, or it can be mounted to your concrete pad or even asphalt. This building runs just over $10,000 installed on your property and your choice of colors. We have many color choices. We have options on sizes and width and length and height. We can do things called frame outs like you see on the side here. There's no legs. It's a very, very popular type of building for us here. So we have galleries of these buildings on our website at americansteelstructures.com. But let's go take a look at this one. This building is 20 feet wide, and it has a 20-foot carport on the front and a 20-foot shed in the back with a 8x8 roll-up door. We've added a window here. Windows and doors are all optional at your leisure, at your request. We have 9 light doors, solid doors, 3 or 4 different size windows, 3, 4, 5, maybe 10 sizes of garage doors. So basically you go to our website, kind of get an idea of the building that you'd like. Give us a call. We'll design the building to your specifications. We put it on order for as little as a 15 to 20% down payment, send it to the nearest factory, and then the installers from those factories will come to your property and build this on your land. The construction time normally is about a couple of days or less for this building, and the lead times generally are running 3 to 4 weeks from the time that you order. So just go to the website, americansteelstructures.com, then give us a call. We'll design your building and get it on order, and you can have it probably on your property in less than a month. Thanks for watching.